It's 9 o'clock in the morning. You know what that means? It means I've got an hour of productivity before I can get the beers. So I'll work on the jet ski. Now I know for a fact that everyone is going to get pissed off about this, but let me remind you that this is not a full rebuild. Freaking put it back into production and make it look sexy. This is so it works and looks cool. Alright, now we got that cleared. This is what I'm going to do. I've got an old MSD seat cover, and the back of this seat is pretty rooted. So I'm going to cut up the MSD seat cover and then use it as a seat cover for the jet ski. Now I know what you're going to say. Cody, it's not waterproof. It's not going to work. It's just going to rot out. Guess what? I don't care. Got a few stickers in the mail. So these boys here sent a few stickers to the PO box. I got James Dean Adventures, Touring Australia, and Stretch Maximus Gaming. That is a mouthful, dude. Thank you for the letter. Thank you for the postcard. As for your question, yes, I do game on my computer, but not as much as I'd like to. I've been pretty busy lately. Before we do anything today, I gotta go stick these on the beer ambulance. Stretch Maximus Gaming also sent me a cooler, so I got the beer in that. Cheers, bloke. You're a legend. Can never have enough coolers. First one goes on. There we go, right in the middle, dude. Second, Touring Australia. And last but not least, James Dean Adventures. Just stick you over next to Hurricane Fabrications. Now, if you want to see your sticker up here, I'll throw a link in the description to the PO box you can send them to. All the stickers that the boys send to that PO box are going to go on the inside of the Beerbulance Emu wing. So now that's all done, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do today. This is a 3D printer. It's called the Ender 3, I think. And from the research that I've done, this is the best one to begin 3D printing. Also spoken to Kenny B, does a lot of 3D printing, and he reckons this is the best one to start off 3D printing with. So I'm gonna put all this stuff together. Hopefully I can make it work first go. And then we're gonna try and print something. So this is gonna be, start to finish, me learning with you watching how to 3D print.
Alright, so now we've got the printer set up. I'm going to print something that's sort of one of those little things that you don't want to spend a whole heap on, but you kind of want it just to, I don't know, have it. I'm going to do a 9mm bullet. Or bullet. I'm going to use a 9mm 3D printed bullet as a snap cap in my CZ Shadow. So, 9mm bullet replica, read the comments, worked for me, blah blah blah, worked great, cool, that's what we want. So we'll grab a file, we'll download that file, and then we'll open up a slicing software called Cura. So we'll go open, last one we downloaded, bullet replica. Okay, so the rounds are 10 round magazines, so right click that, we'll multiply it by 10. No, sorry, we'll multiply it by 9, because if you work it out, that should be 10 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 rounds. So mags 10 rounds, we're going to print 10 little bullets to put in the mags. So check it out, 215, 60. Kenny B reckons the printing temperature for this type of filament should be about 215 degrees, and the bed should be about 60, so that's working pretty good. We'll get an SD card, put in an SD card reader. Bring that up, go away. Now we're going to press slice. 1 hour, 45 minutes for 10 9mm bullets. That's pretty good. And check the sizings. Yeah. Okay. And save to removable disk. And then we'll go eject. And then we'll remove that removable disk. Then with our SD card, we will plug it in. Over here. Print from TF. 9mm bullet. And if it's happy, it should start printing. But I done this last night, a little tool holder to hold all the tools. It's pretty cool. You can buy something and you don't need to buy accessories for it, because you can print your own accessories. So right now what it's going to do is it's going to make a bed, so that way everything sticks to the floor, and all those little, because the surfaces on them are tiny, they're like little, like 10mm, sorry, 9mm actually. So I'll let this fella print here. I'm going to go put on some ribs outside, it's going to be amazing. I'm going to come back in an hour and 45 minutes and see how this fella goes. See you then. Now while we wait for that printer to print, got the smoker cooking, sitting on about 250 Fahrenheit right now. Got some ribs to throw in, so we'll throw them in, and that way we got 2 things to wait on this afternoon. So there you have it, all my little rounds are done. There you go. So it sits on this little bed, and then you can detach all of them. There you have it, mad little snap caps for the 9mm. I got my little bullets. So that's it there, that's the little bullet. I'll grab a mag, 9mm mag. Whoops. Little 9mm snap caps for the CZ Shadow. I might close the garage and have a go at it. 9mm, clear, about to be filled with 3D printed dummy rounds. Whew. Ready? Did you see that? There we go. Unreal, unreal. I love that printer already. Ooh, there goes another one.
So as for that 3D printer, I might throw a link in the description for it if you boys want to have a go. Honestly, it is not that hard. If you've thought about doing it, just give it a go. I think that printer goes for like 190 bucks, so it's cheap enough. A roll of filament for 1 kilo is about 1 kilo is about 30 bucks, probably less. So if you want to give it a go, you don't need the latest and greatest computer to do it. All you need to do is have pretty much an SD card reader. Go onto the website. I'll leave a link for all the websites and the programs that I use to do it. So that way the people like me who don't want to go watch some freaking tech reviewer review shit and make it sound very hard. I'll put all the links in the description. I'll also link Kenny B's website as well. He has a whole heap of 3D printed shit if you don't want to print it yourself. I'll leave that subject alone. Let's go check the ribs. Alright, so that's 6 hours in the smoker. Let's pull them out. Let's see what they look like. Eat. Eat. Ooh-wee. Perfect. Alright, so I'm going to finish packing up all these, throw them on the kitchen bench, ready for dinner tonight. Stay tuned, I'm going to draw the winner of the car wash. Alright, so as promised, I'm going to draw the winner of the car wash. Everyone that commented their name and what sort of car they drive made it onto this list. I'm going to hit the button and we're going to see who won. You ready? Who we got? No way. Quickie, you're a winner, boy. You get the car wash. Nice. Alright, Quickie, send me a message. Get your free car wash. Enjoy that nice, clean D-Max. And we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, boys. Peace.